Okay, welcome once more. Today we'll be looking at the Igbo syllabic nasals. See, that's just like in your English, you still have those things in Igbo. Syllabic nasals. And please, before we start, subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. Click on that bell icon for you to be notified anytime we release a video. And we have a lot of, for those of you who want to learn Igbo, have a lot of videos here. And we have other videos, other academic, mathematics and all of them. Have videos on so many categories, business and the internet marketing, all those things. You just take your little time and look out and you see. Thank you very much. So Nyiri Udaume means syllabic nasal. So Nyiri Udaume, syllabic nasals, okay? These are those letters found among the consonants. Yes, they are the letters you found among the consonants, which can function like vowel. Yes, those letters can function like vowel. Then we say this because in Igbo language, it is only the vowel sounds that can carry or accept tone marks. The consonants do not carry, but in the case of syllabic nasals, they can accept tone marks. This is one of the reasons why we say that they function like vowels. Now, the Igbo syllabic sounds are two in number. We have them here, which is me and me and ni. So anytime a syllabic nasal has its own sound, it functions like vowel. But anytime it does not have its own sound, it does the function of a consonant. Just like the example we have here. Look at the syllabic nasal or Nyiri Udaume. Examples of the Nyiri Udaume, which is syllabic nasals. How it functions here. Because let's say me, see how me functions, okay? Human being means mmadu in Igbo. The functions here. Human being means what? Mmadu in Igbo. Water means mmiri in Igbo. Oil means mmanu in Igbo. Spirit means mmụọ in Igbo. Knife means mma in Igbo. Victory means mmeri. Even some people answer mmeri. Means what? Victory. Tortoise or tortoise means mbe in Igbo. Ceremony means mmemme in Igbo. Right, so we have under ne, we have mother, which what means nne in Igbo. Mother means nne in Igbo. We have father, which means nna in Igbo. We have bird, which means nnono in Igbo. We have female chicken, which is nnekwu in Igbo. We have Nneka. Nneka is a name of somebody. Nneka, which is mother is great. Nneka, some Igbo people answer that name. Female Igbo tribe answer or individual answer such name. Nneji is Igbo name as well. Nneji, Nnaji, these are names we answer in Igbo. Nnamdi, you must have heard this one. Nnamdi is an Igbo name as well. So this is where we have those nasal thing there. Okay, therefore they are all functioning like vowels. Okay, so we now have when syllabic nasal, which is Nyiri Udaume, function like consonant. So this is what you will see, how the sound will look like. When you look at repair, that is the English word. Repair, it means mezie in Igbo. Mezie in Igbo. Win, to win something, that is win, means merie in Igbo. To have do or did, it means mere in Igbo. We have new all means in Igbo means mazuru. We have the next one which is one, which means meriri. Meriri in Igbo. We have any part of it. We have wait, which means in Igbo noro. Yes, noro. Now we have the next one which is take, which is nara. Nara. Take, nara. We have the next one which is heard. Heard, which is what? Noro. Noro. I heard you. Noro. Anorum ge. We have the next one which is only, which means what in Igbo? Nani. Nani. Yes, we have the next one which is conjunction, which is what? Okay, we have na. Na just like and. Obi and Ada. Obi na Ada. So that is just that. Alright, so the examples in number 2 above do not have their own sounds on their first or initial letters. Therefore, they are all consonant sounds. They are not good examples of syllabic nasal of Igbo language. So we have talked about Nyiri Odaome. Let me see. Let's look at mmebe. Mmebe mkpụrụ okwu Igbo. That's formation of Igbo words. Mmebe mkpụrụ okwu Igbo. Formation of Igbo words. So mmebe mkpụrụ okwu Igbo. Word formation. Alright, so alphabet is the bedrock of every word. Yes, in every language, their alphabet is the bedrock, is the beginning of the formation of every word in every language, including Igbo. So therefore, we will use the Igbo alphabet to form words in Igbo. So the idea of word formation is not something one can do like that, especially in Igbo language. So anybody forming one particular word or the other in Igbo must be careful in choosing his or her letters. Otherwise, he or she will end up choosing and combining the letters of alphabet without forming a meaningful word. So you have to be very, very careful. Now look at this. We have how to form. This is hand. Hand using A. Letter A. Hand, which is what? Aka. Aka. So A plus K plus A, which is what? Aka, which is what? Hand. Means hand in English. Now B, have ball. Ball, which is ball. In English, it means what? Ball. Ball. It sounds almost the same thing. Ball. So B plus O plus O plus L plus U, ball. So I have she, letter she, which means achicha. So bread. Bread in English. So bread in Igbo means what? Achicha. Biscuit can as well means achicha. All those snacks you eat can mean what? Achicha. You can call them achicha as well. So to form it, have a, she, she, a, she, sha. Okay, so have the D word, D this thing there. D letter, dinta, which is a hunter. You can see the picture there. A hunter, dinta. In junior WAEC exam, they do draw something and tell you to state the meaning in Igbo. And they will give you option. So that is why you should pay more attention now. So dinta, which is hunter. You can see how it's being formed there. We have efere, which is what? Plate. Efere, which is plate. Okay, so I think this is where we can call it a day. Okay, we have other formation of words here. Huh? How about that formation of words here, like F, afo, which is stomach. You can see the plus there, stomach. We have G, aga, which is needle. Needle is called aga in Igbo. We have Boidia, which is what? Zinc. Agba. But Igbo have, this is the general Igbo. What we are teaching is the general Igbo, but you still have general Igbo, whereby it's a single Igbo where every Igbo person is supposed to speak. But still have indigenous, among the Igbo people, they still have their own indigenous Igbo. Like this zinc now, in my own indigenous Igbo, we call it bam bam. But here they wrote what? Ba, which is what? Zinc. So we have Agama lizard. In Igbo is called Agu. Can see them there. We have beans, Agwa. We call it Agwa in Igbo. We have face, which is what? Ihu. You can see how it's being formed there. Ihu under H, Ihu. We have cup, which is being called Iko. This one came out in their last exam, 2020 exam. This cup, they drew it. So it came out. We have the next one. To sweep, that means Eza. To sweep the ground, which is Eza. Zacha Ola, which is Za Eba, which is more to sweep this grass, sweep this place. We have Yam, which is what? G in Igbo. We have hand fan, which is Akupe. So hand fan is called Akupe in Igbo. We have bag, you can see it there. We have bag, which is what? Akpa in Igbo. Alright, so thank you very much. Subscribe to our channel. If you want to learn more Igbo, a one-on-one class with me or with us, reach out to us. You can comment or ask questions below the comment section. Subscribe and share with your friends that are interested in learning Igbo language. Okay? Next time we are going to continue with these things. Alright. Okay. No. Where did I stop? Okay, bag. Again with this one.